Okay, Nonna Maria's back. Now, after we did the potato pizzaiola, my meat pizzaiola, here is the sirloin, very thin. When I was a little girl, this is the only way I would eat meat. My mom had to go to the butcher and say to cut it thin, plus she used to pound it. I want to try something different that a friend suggested. I never made it. I only made it with oregano and plum tomatoes and a little cheese maybe, black olives and capers. Of course, oregano, pepper and salt, of course. Okay, let's begin. Okay, little olive oil, of course. Garlic, very little. We do everything in raw, really not waiting until it's very little. It's for one portion. For me, you could triple the dosage, whatever. I'm only one. We put capers, black olives, little pepper, little salt, and of course the plum tomatoes that I squash it with my hand. That's how we do it. And we let it cook. It's not going to take long. A little bit more salt. And of course, oregano. Lower the flame. Where is it? And we cover it. And I forgot to tell you, it's almost ready. Lower the flame. I had a little red wine, let it evaporate it, and now I cover again. Okay, see you later when it's time to eat. Voila, dinner time. My beef thin slice sirloin pizzaiola. This time I had capers and black olives, oregano of course, and my potato pizzaiola. When I finish with the mozzarella, you will find everything on Nonna Maria 1433. Ciao! Mwah! Buon appetito, a favorire altrettanto. Ciao ciao!